We all know that ChatGPT can solve problems, generate content, and even help you code.
But did you know that you can also use ChatGPT to make an app?
Yes, so in this video, I will show you a step-by-step process on how you can create an app using ChatGPT. Usually when you create an app you need to have good knowledge in coding and app development. But in this video we're going to use ChatGPT to generate the code and create a basic app, so make sure you watch this video till the end, because I will also show you how you can convert it into an APK file, which you can install on your Android device, share with your friends, or also publish it on the Play Store. So, let's get started. To make an app using ChatGPT, we are going to do 4 steps. First, decide what kind of app that you want to create. Now, if you have an idea for an app, you can tell ChatGPT about it and how it should work. But for the purposes of this video, we're going to make a calculator app. So let's do it. So first, come to ChatGPT and ask, I want to create a calculator, so generate a code of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I give this prompt in the description, so you can get from there. ChatGPT generates a complete code for us. We need to check whether this code is working or not. For this, go to codepen.io. You can find the link in the description. Click the sign up for free and continue with Google. Now, we need to paste the code in these boxes. So go to ChatGPT and copy the HTML code and paste in the HTML box. Again, copy the CSS code and paste in the CSS box. Last, copy the JavaScript code and paste in the JavaScript. Now drag from the top. Wow, our app is ready. Let's try something. Is working fine. But it's look very ugly. So, come back to ChatGPT and ask, write this code again, but add some styling, animation in button and gradient background. ChatGPT again generate code for us. So, let's copy the code, paste the code again. Now, our app look beautiful. Step 2, we need to save this code in our computer. So, open the notepad and copy the HTML code and paste it here. Click the File tab and click the Save button. It's better to create a separate folder. So, create a folder called Calculator, save the file as index.html, make sure to save this with the correct name, otherwise our app is not working. Then copy the CSS code, open a new file, paste the code here. Click the Save button and save as styles.css. And last, copy the JavaScript code and save as script.js. Now open the app in the local server. It's working fine. In step 3, we host our website. So, come to TinyHost, you can find the link in the description. First, you need to create your account, then click the upload file. TinyHost supports the zip file, so we need to convert this folder as a zip file. So, compress the file. Click the publish button. It takes few seconds to host a website. Now, our website is live, click this link, here is our website. As I tell you, we created a mobile app, so in the last step we convert it into a APK file. For this, we use Web into App website. You can find the link in the description. Click the Get Started button, then copy the URL of a website and paste it here. Give your app name and click the Next button. You can also upload the icon of your app. For this, go to Flat Icon and search any icon from here. Select the icon, click the download icon, and click the free download button. Again, come to this website and upload your icon. Click the Make App button. Then give your information and click the Register button. It takes 10 seconds to create our app. Our app is ready, click the download icon and click the free download button. Now we need to share this file on our mobile. You can use data cable for this. On mobile, I am using the Z archiver to extract this file. So, click the file, and click the extract here. Then install the APK file. Click the open, and you can see, we successfully created our mobile app. You can share with your friends, and say I made this app. So that's it for today's video. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel to support my work. I'll see you in the next video.